Guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing my other phone lot on eBay that I bought. It was, I'll grab my other phone, turn my camera a little bit, it's a little crooked. It was $40 and $14.66 to ship it, so it was $15 or $55 roughly. Let's go and see. These are all untested. There's a Motorola RAZR, I think it's the V3XX, which is basically the whole reason I bought it, because there's 3 of them in here. There's a couple other phones that I don't have, but I was like, yeah, we'll go and buy it. So we'll go ahead and see. They all have chargers too, so that's pretty nice. Let's go see. Got little popping things. First up, we have a Samsung NAC. Like I said, comes with a car charger, a home charger, and a USB cable. So we're going to take a look at the phone itself. Let's go and open it up. Here's the phone. It's sticky, which isn't surprising. Does it turn on? Battery's probably dead. It does have a battery though, so that's good. There's one. Here is a Motorola W315, if I remember right. Comes with a car charger and comes with 2 car chargers and a house charger. Let's take a look at it. It is Verizon. It also does not turn on. It's probably got a dead battery. I said that'd be an update video of me going through them all and testing them. Yeah, it's a W315. I don't know if the Verizon one was going to have a different model number from the Alltel version. Alrighty. And then here we have on the top an HTC. I'm not sure how this case comes off. There we go. So it looks like it's a slider case. I think it's the Incredible. Looks like it's got a cracked screen. Looks like it's dead. I got a screen protector in there to cover up the cracks. So we're going to take a look at that one later. Here is a Motorola V551 or 557. Let's take a look at it. It is a GSM unbranded, which is pretty cool. So it might be Rogers. It is a V555. Okay, so a little different than what I was thinking, but not too bad. So we already have a V557 and the V400 that we just got in. This one comes with a heavy duty, like I mean, bigger than the phone almost, wall charger. Here is just a whole bunch of chargers. It looks like there is a Nokia or maybe a Motorola one. Maybe that's that one special Motorola one I've been needing. That'd be cool for this because I've been needing to get one of those. There's another one which looks like that Motorola one, and then a proprietary Motorola. There's a Nokia charger right there. So who knows which one it is, but there's those. Here is a, what's it, there's 2 of them in here. 2 LGs and a charging thing or something. I don't know what it goes to. But there's that. Here we got 2 phones in this bag. Got another Ravine, I think it is. Dead. Oh no, it's not. And then we have a LG VX6100. Look at that. It's got like a camera cover. That looks like it's dead. This one's still turning on. I'm going to throw it down there in the side. I'm kind of expecting some of these to be passcode locked. Nope, it's actually factory reset. Alrighty, and then we have a LG something with a charger. It's a singular device. LG 225. That's pretty cool. I mean, there's going to be separate reviews on these as well, so this is just an unboxing, of course. Oops, got caught inside the box. I'm going to take a look at this one because it's right here. Here is a sliding Samsung. Pull the back off of this one. It is a U380. This is with Verizon. Here is a AT&T Motorola device with a charger as well. I like how they have chargers because it just makes it so much easier for me to have extra chargers so I can charge them all at once. This one's got a broken hinge, but it looks pretty decent. I don't think it has a battery either. Oh, it does. Feels really light for having a battery. Also, I am working on the AT&T and all those startups, but it's just taking time because I have so many chargers for so many phones to go through and charge. So I'm working on getting that done as well, guys. Here's a GSM Motorola RAZR V3. Which, as you know, I do like my RAZR, so add that to the collection if it works. I'll put that over there so we can go through it. I'm going to do my favorite ones to last. Here's a old Nokia. It comes with a car charger, it looks like. Yep, car charger and a house charger. It is the Nokia 3285. It looks like it's dead. It's got a big little forehead right here. There's another Nokia car charger and a house charger with it as well. I don't know how the back comes off of this one. This one looks really weird. Huh. I'm not too sure. It's some kind of Nokia. Oh, it looks like it's broken, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, there's a Nokia. It comes with a car charger and a house charger. Let's see what we got. Another charger right here. This is a micro USB to car charger. Here is a LG. I already have one of these, but it's the US Cellular model, and it has that glue on the front of it. So here's the Verizon model. That looks to be in a lot better shape. This one's going to be the VX3300, where I think the other one I have is the UX3300. And then we're going to the phones that I really wanted. And right here they are, Motorola RAZRs. Because I think these are the V3X models, because they're definitely not the V3s. And there's 3 of them. Comes with one charger, which is perfectly fine because all these others. We're going to throw all these around here, and so we can get ready to do the final video. Let's see. There's a lot of these. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Okay, slide this back a little bit. We're gonna take a look at these. Looks like is the V3XX. Doesn't feel like it has a battery. It does, man. These things are light. This is the V3XX. This one looks like it's AT&T. It's got AT&T SIM card in it. And there's a black one. This one doesn't have a battery. V3XX as well, in blue. And then another AT&T one with no battery. And it is a V3XX as well. And it looks like it's AT&T. So there's those 3. Here we have the Motorola. I think this is the bright side if I remember right. I can't be too sure on it though. I want to go wide angle for this one. I got a bunch of chargers and then that one. Okay, I'm going to go wide angle for you guys. Alright, so that is going to be, I know, my desk is a complete mess, guys. That's going to be the unboxing of this phone lot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.